Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This is our tutorial on Joong-Gun Hyung. In this tutorial, we'll be working with the third merit of a good pattern, which is focus. Now, what focus means is look at what you're doing, look where you're going. If I'm doing a block, I look at what I'm blocking. I'm not looking up toward the ceiling or down toward the floor or over my shoulder. I'm looking where that block is going. If I want to block something, I've got to look at it to be able to block it effectively. And not something like this. I'm not going to be able to block that way. But focus is something that we are practicing and developing as we work with our pattern. It also means look where I'm going. If I am turning, say from here to the back, I look first, and then I bring my body around to go in the new direction. I don't turn around blind. If I'm changing directions, I always lead that change with my eyes. So I don't just whip around and get disoriented. If I move my eyes first, the rest of my body follows along very naturally from that. I keep my sense of where I am and what's going on. So, let's do Joong-Gun together, working with focus. When we're going to change directions, our focus is going to shift from one direction to another. I will say, look. And then we'll move our eyes, then we'll move into the new direction with our body. All right, let's take this by my count. Joong-Gun, working with focus. Joon-bi, look. 1, 2, 3. Look. 1, 2, 3. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, go. Hey! Look. 1, look. 1, 2, 3. Look. 1, 2, 3. Look. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. 3, 4. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. 1, 2. Look. Go. Hey! Back to ready. Get in. All right, that is Joong-Gun, working with the third merit of a good pattern, which is focus. Sometimes focus shifts very quickly in a pattern. We're changing directions pretty rapidly. Sometimes a pattern will keep its focus in one direction for several techniques. We don't change focus. That can happen too. We see both of those in Joong-Gun.